In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Robux with Gcash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to complete your purchase smoothly, even if it's your first time. First, open your Roblox account and make sure you're logged in on the device you want to use. Either the app or a web browser works. It helps to have a stable internet connection and your Gcash account ready with enough balance to cover the amount you plan to buy, plus any taxes or fees that may apply in your region. Prices and options can vary by country, so what you see on your screen may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Next, go to the Robux section. On the home screen or top menu, find and click the Robux icon. This will open a page showing different Robux packages. Take a moment to choose the amount of Robux you want to buy from the list. Double-check that you've selected the right package. It's easier to confirm now than to fix later. When you've picked your amount, proceed to the payment screen and select Gcash as your payment method. You'll be asked to enter your email. Use an email you can access right away. This is where your receipt and any important confirmations will be sent. After entering your email, click Continue. Now follow the prompts on your screen to complete the purchase. You'll be taken to a secure Gcash payment page to authorize the transaction. Carefully review the amount and the details shown. You may be asked to confirm your payment, enter a one-time code, or approve the charge in the Gcash app. Keep the page open while you do this and avoid refreshing or closing the window until it's done. If a prompt doesn't appear right away, give it a moment. Payment pages sometimes take a few seconds to load. If anything times out or shows an error, return to Roblox and start the checkout again. Once Gcash confirms the payment, you'll be redirected back to Roblox. You should see a confirmation message, and your new Robux balance should update shortly. If it doesn't appear instantly, refresh the page or relaunch the app. Check your email for the receipt so you have a record of the transaction and any reference numbers. That's it. Open your Roblox account, click Robux, select the amount, choose Gcash, enter your email, click Continue, and follow the prompts to finish the purchase. Enjoy your Robux and spend responsibly.